Good evening, I'm Daniel Crow. Now we're off to California with our stunning newsreader Annabelle, who's at a festival with some chimps looking to have more than a good time. Annabelle, what do you have for us?
Thanks, Daniel. I'm here with a group of crazy chimps looking to get wasted at their first festival.
Okay, everyone gets to pick one thing to do at the festival, and we all have to do it together! Dude, if this is how they chill out in California, then I'm moving pronto, man. This beats that shit we drink at home, man. I'm smashed. Dude, this is more fun than sleeping in the treetops, but much harder to get comfy. Alaska next, man. I hear they have women there with hair on their chest.
It seems I'm not the only one who likes girls with hairy chests. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more, I'm sure.
We can't be perfect all the time. Here are some VEO 3 scenes that went wrong.
Mate, this is the best night of my life.
Well, what a night for those chimps at the festival. Chaos, drinks, and probably a lifetime ban from California. And let's not forget our devil ladies stunning as always. Personally, I'd quite like to howl at the moon while they pamper me, though knowing my luck, I'd end up with a hangover and no dignity. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Yes, you. Think we're stupid? Crazy? Wasting time? Then grow some balls and leave a comment. We'll happily reply, belittle you, or maybe even ignore you completely. Who knows, but say something. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more nonsense. I'm Daniel Crow, signing out and off to howl at the moon for a crazy few hours with the devil ladies.
Subscribe for more of this shite.